You filed your claim right away. The adjuster came out quickly. Everything felt like it was moving. Then the check arrives, and it's not even close to what your contractor quoted. Speed felt reassuring the whole way through, right up until it wasn't. At StormLex Law Group, we see this play out across Texas after nearly every major storm. Here are the most common questions we hear from property owners. Question 1. Isn't a faster claim always a better claim? Not necessarily. A claim can move quickly and still fail you, if the details never get explained, documented, or confirmed along the way. Speed feels good. Communication is what actually protects you. Making sure the inspection was thorough, the damage was properly scoped, and everyone agrees on what's included in the policy and what isn't. Question 2. How long should an inspection actually take? The visit itself might only be 1 to 3 hours. But the real process, the reporting, the scoping, the review, happens after that, and it's where things quietly go wrong. A rushed inspection, with no follow-up explanation, is a bigger risk than a slower one that's clearly documented. Question 3. If damage gets missed the first time, can it still be added to my claim? Yes, through what's called a supplemental claim. But you'll need documentation, often an updated inspection, and a clear explanation of why that damage wasn't caught initially. That's much easier to do if you were keeping your own records from day one. Question 4. What if my insurance company disagrees with my assessment of the damage? That's common, and it's usually resolved through additional documentation, expert opinions, or a closer look at what the policy actually says. Written communication matters here. It keeps the conversation focused on facts, instead of somebody's word against another's. Question 5. Why does this keep happening to Texas property owners? Because adjusters are optimized to close files fast, not to communicate thoroughly. When a carrier moves quickly without locking down the details, that's how the insurance company gets away, with quietly delaying the parts of your claim that actually matter, denying damage that was never properly documented in the first place, and undervaluing repairs based on an incomplete scope nobody caught in time. A fast claim isn't the same thing as a fair one. At StormLex Law Group, attorneys Flores, Manuel Pelaez-Prada, and Jake Rogiers help Texas property owners make sure their claim is documented right the first time, and fight back when it wasn't. If your claim moved fast but the payout doesn't add up, don't assume the case is closed. Visit stormlex.com or call StormLex Law Group today for a free case evaluation.
StormLex Law Group, because you paid for coverage, not excuses.